A creative background can enhance your product without stealing the spotlight. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a neutral background color that complements your brand, then go to the Elements panel and search for simple geometric shapes. Place large circles, rectangles, or abstract shapes behind the product area to build a visually appealing background. Resize the shapes, adjust their transparency, and layer them carefully to create subtle depth. Upload your product image and position it above the background shapes so it immediately becomes the focal point. Add a bold headline, product description, pricing, and a strong call to